Sherry.
Oh, so sad. You will vote for.
What happened? Okay.
Yeah.
His
His eyes open. He's too strong.
He's enjoying it. I'm just here.
Yeah.
Sitting.